Hello everyone, what is up? My name is Vase and today I'm excited to showcase one of my projects that I've been working on. Agile Development Management Tool with the integrated Kanban board, Scrum feature to help manage sprints and track task progress, extreme programming with dedicated sections for planning, designing, coding, testing and release. Plus it has a built-in chat feature to make team communicate easier. We start with the authentication system where user can register and wait for admin approval before they can log in and use our platform. Once logged in, user will see a dashboard that displays all tasks and projects, whether they are in progress, started, completed or still to do, along with visual charts to track progress. Next, in a project section, user can add new tasks by filling out all necessary details including the methodology being used, such as Kanban, Scrum or extreme programming. User can also assign team member to the project. Within each project, user can change the project status or add new member. Below each project, there are 4 sections: dashboard, task, board, and Gantt chart view. Let's take a closer look at a Kanban board. A Kanban board is a visual tool that helps manage workflow by showing tasks at different stages. Users can add new tasks such as authentication, checkout, cards, and products, and change their status to do, in progress, or done. I used a D&D toolkit to implement the drag and drop functionality. They can also view the Gantt chart to see timeline and dependencies. Moving on to the Scrum Board feature, let's continue with the previous example. Here we can easily add new sprint and assign tasks to each sprint. We can switch between different sprints, meaning sprint 1 will have its own board, sprint 2 will have its own, and so on. The assigned tasks will then be displayed on a Scrum board where we can also change their status as needed. Moving on to the next phase, we have XP, which stands for Extreme Programming. This approach emphasizes customer satisfaction and flexibility through iterative development. In this section, we can add new tasks and view them easily. Each task will have a button labeled Add to XP. When we click this button, a dialog box will open, allowing us to fill out the task detail. During the planning phase, we can set the priority of each task as low, medium or high. Once the task is added, we can select the planning phase and view all tasks in that area. Each task will have a drop-down menu to change its state or phase to design, coding, testing or release. In the coding phase, we have 3 options: code ready, ready to review and pair programming, which we can select accordingly. Moving on to the testing phase. If a task passes, we can then move into the release phase and make any further adjustment as needed. Now, moving on to the employee feature, we can able to view all the employees that are currently working on our platform. I already told you about pending request. The messaging functionality in our application utilizes WebSockets and Socket.io for real-time communication. User can easily select and chat with anyone on the platform. We also provide a feature to see who is currently online. For example, Khizr, Aliza and Ali are online, as indicated by the green circle next to their name. In the task section, we can see all the tasks assigned to each project, and user can also delete tasks from this view. The report sections contain project reports providing insights into the progress and performance. Finally, the profile section allows user to upload a new photo, utilizing Multer for file handling and Cloudinary for storage. I also use a data URI package to manage images. User can edit their profile from this section as well. And that's it. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope you enjoy learning about my project.